it kept on breaking and then they'll go and we were like pull out. It was like literally like right in the middle.
Gaano ko i-record? Revolving glass door.
Oh, yun o, gumagalaw. Nakikita mo yung gears? Hindi mo nakikita yung...
Jump ako.
Huwag ka mag-jump. Wait lang.